Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapsh Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's see how to export shortcuts to your Files app or how to share it with your friends. So that's exactly what we'll be seeing in today's video. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So let's say you have created a shortcut or you have created multiple shortcuts and there are a lot of steps involved within that shortcut, and you want to share that with your friends, or you want to export it and keep it as a backup. So I'll show you all how to export that, and also you can share it with your friends as well. So to do that, it's simple. So let's say I have these many shortcuts, and one of these shortcuts called repeat, I want to save it in my Files app. So you just need to long press and you should see a share option coming up, or you just need to click on these three dots and that same share option will be over here as well. If you have if you have documents app, you can save it to documents and then slowly move it to Files app. So if you see here, there is no save to files directly coming up here. So that for that you need to change something in the options. So here you can change the setting. There are two options: either you can share it as iCloud link or share it as a file. Just select file and also say with whom you want to share this with. Just keep it as anyone. Confirm and save that, and once you do that, you should start seeing save to files. Earlier you are not able to see save to files. Now you can see save to files. From here it's simple, just click on save to files. It will take some time to process this and create a shortcut, and then you can save it over here. So it will be saved. Just click on save and it will be saved. I've already saved multiple times, so that way you can export and save this. You can do it from here as well. Long press and then click on share and do the same process again. So let me delete this shortcut for now, because I will show you all how to import it. So I have deleted the shortcut. Now let's try to import it from Files app. I'm in the Files app. So from here you can share it with your friends via airdrop, or also you can share it via WhatsApp. So there are different ways you can share this with, and also you can import it back to your Shortcuts app. Just click on that particular file and click on add shortcuts. So here it will open up the shortcut, and if there are any settings permission required, for example location or access to your photos, all those confirmation will be taken, and you can give the permission accordingly, and this is ready to go. You can start using this shortcut directly, or you can set it via automation and start using the shortcut. So that way shortcuts can be exported and saved in your Files app, or share it with your friends as well. It's that simple. So hope this was useful. So I just wanted to quickly show you all this. So if you think this was useful, let me know in the comments. Hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.